You're probably juggling 5 different AI tools right now: ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for images, maybe Runway for video. And let's be honest, switching between tabs, managing different subscriptions, and trying to remember which tool does what best is exhausting. Well, I spent the last month testing HIX AI, which claims to be an all-in-one solution, and what I discovered completely changed how I think about AI workflows. Here's the thing. Having everything in one place isn't just convenient. It actually unlocks capabilities you didn't even know you needed. So in this video, I'm walking you through HIX AI's complete platform, from AI chat with multiple models to image generation, video creation, slide design, and even deep research capabilities. We're going to explore how this single platform integrates GPT 5.2 Pro, Claude 4.5, Gemini 3 Pro, and more cutting-edge models into one intuitive interface. By the end, you'll know exactly how to streamline your entire AI workflow and potentially save hundreds of dollars on subscriptions. First up, let me show you the platform overview and why the integration of these models matters more than you think. Platform overview. When you first log into HIX AI, you're greeted with a clean dashboard that immediately shows you the breadth of what's possible here. We're talking AI video, AI image, AI slides, and deep research, all accessible from one interface. But here's where it gets interesting. Unlike other platforms that limit you to their proprietary models, HIX AI has integrated multiple top-tier AI models. We're talking GPT 5.2 Pro, Gemini 3 Pro, DeepSeek V3.2, and Claude 4.5. This means you're not locked into one ecosystem's strengths and weaknesses. You get to choose the best tool for each specific job. Now, before we dive deeper, let me show you something that's going to save you tons of time. See this library section on the left sidebar? Every single file you generate, whether it's an image, video, presentation, or research report, gets stored here automatically. No more digging through downloads or trying to remember which platform you used for what. Everything's organized and accessible in one place. AI Chat, the foundation. Let's start with AI Chat, because this is where you'll spend most of your time, and trust me, it's more powerful than you think. The first thing you need to know is that you can switch between different AI models depending on your task. For coding, I've found GPT 5.2 Pro and Claude Opus 4.5 to be absolute game changers. Watch this. I'm going to ask it to create code for a futuristic AI product interface with a dark background, vibrant animations, and interactive elements. Look how quickly it generates complete, functional HTML code. I can literally copy this, run it in my browser, and boom, I have a working prototype. This is the kind of thing that would take hours of back and forth with traditional coding assistants. But wait until you see this next feature, instant prompt generation. Switch over to Gemini 3 Pro and type something simple like, "A gym enthusiast running through the snow on a snowy day." The AI doesn't just create the image, it intelligently recognizes your generation intent and optimizes the prompt automatically. It's like having a prompt engineer built right into the system. And here's the multimodal magic. You can upload text files, images, videos, or any other format, and the AI analyzes them contextually. Let me upload this beach image. Not only does it describe what's in the image with incredible accuracy, but watch this. It can generate a corresponding video generation prompt based on the image content. This cross-modal capability is where things start to get really powerful. AI Image Agent, the game changer. Now let's talk about the AI Image Agent, which is honestly one of the most impressive features I've seen in any AI platform. This isn't just another image generator, it's an intelligent agent that autonomously interprets your prompts and arranges complete workflows. Here's how it works. I'll type a simple topic. A person resting on a peaceful beach in bright daylight. Instead of just generating an image, the agent asks me to confirm specifications, style, aspect ratio, quality level, or I can let it use its default intelligent standards. But here's what makes this special. While it's generating, it's actually arranging multiple AI image models in the background, testing which one will give the best result for your specific prompt. Look at these results. Each one is generated using a different model that the agent selected as optimal. Click on any image you like and check out these AI editing features at the top right. We've got upscaling, style transfer, background removal, and more, all built in. The Discover and Effects sections are absolute goldmines for creative inspiration. You've got hundreds of templates across different styles and use cases. Pick any template, and the agent automatically adapts it to your needs. The Effects section is even more interesting. You can upload your own images and apply professional-grade transformations instantly. This is the kind of workflow that used to require multiple subscriptions and manual processing. AI video, where things get exciting. Moving on to AI video, and this is where HIX AI really flexes its muscle. You've got access to Veo 3.1, Sora 2 Pro, WAN 2.5, and Kling 2.5 Turbo. Each model has its strengths, but I'm going to focus on Veo 3.1 because it's currently producing the most impressive results. You can generate videos from text prompts or from image ingredients. Remember that prompt we generated earlier from the beach image? Watch what happens when I feed it into Veo 3.1. You've got complete control over video size, resolution, and duration. I'm going to select the highest settings, maximum clarity and duration, because quality matters. The generation takes a minute or two, but the results are worth the wait. Look at this output. The camera movement is smooth, the details are crisp, and the motion feels natural. If the platform supports it, you can even upscale the original video for even higher quality. The Discover and Effects sections for video work just like images, pre-made templates that you can customize instantly. These templates are perfect when you need professional-looking content fast, but don't have the time to craft elaborate prompts. AI slides, presentation power. Let's talk about AI slides, because this feature alone could justify the subscription for business users. The core function here is transforming your ideas, regardless of industry, into professional, visually appealing, logically structured presentations of up to 30 pages. We're talking about dramatically reduced content creation time. I'll demonstrate two generation methods. First, text generation. I'm typing the usage trends of AI tools in 2026 as my topic. The AI asks for detailed requirements, target audience, tone, number of slides, visual style. You can specify everything or let it make intelligent decisions. Watch the generation process. It's creating not just slides with text, but complete visual layouts, charts, and design elements. Let me play through this presentation. Notice how each slide builds logically on the previous one, how the visuals support the content, and how the overall design maintains consistency. This is presentation quality that would normally require a designer and hours of work. For the second method, I can generate from a PDF, URL, image, or spreadsheet. This is incredibly useful when you need to transform existing content into presentation format. Upload your source material, specify your requirements, and the AI restructures everything into a professional slide deck automatically. Deep Research. The hidden gem. The Deep Research feature is honestly the hidden gem of this platform. It automatically plans and executes research tasks based on your input, generating comprehensive reports suitable for marketing analysis, academic research, or business intelligence. Let me type 2026 AI Tools Market Analysis and watch what happens. The AI isn't just searching the web and summarizing results. It's actually planning a research strategy, executing multiple searches, analyzing data, cross-referencing sources, and synthesizing everything into a structured report. Scroll through this report. You've got charts, data visualizations, competitive analysis, trend predictions, all automatically generated and organized. The download feature preserves the original format and content, so you can directly use this in presentations, reports, or strategic planning documents. Conclusion. So here's what makes HIX AI truly stand out. For $14.99 per month annually, or $29.99 monthly, you're getting AI chat with multiple premium models, AI image generation with intelligent agent workflows, AI video creation across multiple platforms, professional AI slides, and deep research capabilities, all in one ecosystem. When you add up what you'd pay for separate subscriptions to ChatGPT Plus, Midjourney, Runway, and other tools, HIX AI becomes an absolute no-brainer. And here's something worth noting. HIX AI is running a year-end sale from December 17th to January 2nd, offering up to 60% off on subscriptions. That's the kind of deal that makes trying a new platform completely risk-free. Every feature I showed you today, from the intelligent image agent to the comprehensive deep research, represents a different pain point that this platform solves. The question isn't whether you need these tools. The question is whether you're ready to stop juggling multiple subscriptions and start working smarter. So I want to hear from you. Which feature are you most excited to try? The AI video generation, the presentation builder, or maybe the deep research capabilities? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that subscribe button because I'm constantly testing new AI tools and bringing you the most comprehensive reviews. Go ahead and try HIX AI. The link's in the description. And remember, with that year-end discount, there's never been a better time to streamline your entire AI workflow.